working days. Yesterday I have explained you about direct and indirect variations. Hope you have seen the examples and understood it. Now we'll be solving the exercise today. You see, the first question says a family needed rupees 6,480 to survive for 20 days. How long will the family survive with rupees 9,396? You write here, let the number of days be X. See, first is amount, second is number of days. Clear? Now, less rupees, that was 6,480, less days, 20 days. Now we have more rupees, so we'll be surviving for more days. Family will be surviving for more days. So that will be X. So which type of proportion it is? You have to decide it here, okay? We have made the columns. Now when we had 6,480, it was surviving for 20 days. Now we have more rupees than 6,000. So family will be surviving for more days. So this is a direct variation. So that's what we'll be writing. Rupees 6,480 by rupees 9,396 is equal to 20 by X. Now we'll be solving, as I have told you, both are increasing. So we'll be writing as it is. It's a direct. So now we'll be solving. Rupees 6,480 into X is equal to rupees 9,396 into 20. Now come here, X is equal to rupees 9,396 into 20 by rupees 6,480. First we have cancelled rupees. Now I'll be cancelling the numbers. 2 with 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Now we'll be cancelling this. 2 16s are 2 2s are 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12, 2 9s are 18, 2 8s are 16. Now 2 81s are 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 9s are 18. With 3 27s are 3 7s are 21, 3 4s are 12, 21, 2 3 8s are 24, sorry, and 3 3s are 9. Again 3 9s are 27, 3 2s are 6, 3 6 are 18, 3 1s are 3. With 9 9 9s are 81. So X is equal to 29. Here you write, family will survive for survive for 29 days. Okay, in this way we have to solve this. This is easier than the simple unitary method. Now look at question number 2. Here the question says a typist type 90 words per minute. How many words can she type in 5 hours? So time is increasing, so number of words also will be increasing. This is also a direct variation. Let the number of words she types in 5 hours be X. Let the number of words be X. Here words, time in minute, and this is words. Clear? First it was 90 words in 1 minute. 1 minute, 90 words. 5 hours, if we convert into minute, 5 into 60 minutes. X words. So it gives you 1 by 300 is equal to 90 by X. Or X is equal to 90 into 300 words. Or X is equal to 27,000 words. Right? A typist can type 27,000 words in 5 hours. Is it? Only that much we have to do. Look at question number 3. It says if 9 men can complete the work in 5 hours, how many hours can 15 men complete the same work? Now, number of men is increasing. So, time would be decreasing or increasing? Decreasing. Yesterday only I have told you, more people, less time, and less people, more time. So, this is what? Which type of variation it is? It is indirect variation. Because the same work has to be done by 15 people. Which one was done by 9 people? The same work 15 people will be doing. So, the time will be less. See, let the number of hours be X. Number of hours be X. Is it? Number of people, working hours. So 9 people, 5 hours, 15 people, X hours. So this is increasing and this is decreasing. This will be decreasing. It is indirect variation. So 9 by 15 is equal to what I have told you. In indirect variation, we will be writing the reverse of it. We don't write 5x by 5. We will be writing 5 by x. We will be writing x by 5. So 9 into 5 is equal to x into 15. Or 9 into 5 by 15 is equal to x. 5 3s are 3 3s are. So 3 is equal to x. That's what 15 people can finish the work in 3 hours. Is it? Look at question number 4. A stenographer takes 90 minutes to type 23 pages. How long he will take to type 69 pages is a direct variation. 5. Again it is a direct variation. So 4 and 5 you take for the homework. Just write it as a homework. Look at question number 6. 500 men have provisions for 21 weeks. 25 men joined them. How long will the provision last? Now when 500 people were having each provision, means they had food for 21 weeks. So 525 people, how many weeks they will have the food provision or whatever it is. Now you just see. Let the provision last us for X days. Question number 6. 4, 5 is a homework. Homework 4 and 5. Number 6. Let the provision last us for X days. Clear? people, number of X weeks it is, no? weeks. So when there were 500 people, it was lasting for 21 weeks. Now there are 500 plus 25, so it will last for X week. Is it? More people, less days, less people, more days. So what we'll have? It is also indirect. So we'll write 500 by 525 is equal to X by 21. So you can write, if you want, it is indirect variation. If you want, you can use this sentence, no problem. Or it gives you 500 into 21 is equal to 525 into X, or 500 into 21 by 525 is equal to X. Now 500s are 505s are 21, 5s are 5, 20s are. So X is equal to 20 weeks. Provision last is for last is for 20 weeks. Write it, please. Question number 7. 300 men have provision for 40 days. If 60 men left, how long the provision lasts? What we'll do? Earlier we had 300 men, so it was for 40 days. Now 60 men left. So how many people are left? How many people are remaining? That is 240. That will last for X days. So this is also indirect. So we can solve it. Is it? You see? Right, question number 7 also as homework. Otherwise, okay, we'll do here. See. That the provision last is for X days, people, number of days, X days, this is number of days, for 300 people it was for 40 days, is it? 300 people, 40 days. So 60 people left, so 300 minus 60 remain for X days. So this gives you 300 by 240 is equal to X by 40, or 300 into 40 is equal to X into 240, or 300 into 40 by 240 is equal to X. 46 are 50 days. X is equal to 50 days. So therefore provision last is for 50 days. Provision lasts for 50 days. Twenty men can finish a piece of work in 30 days. If 5 more men join them, then how many days will they finish the work? 20 men, 30 days. So 25 men, X days. Is also indirect variation, is it? So what we have to do? We have to write 20 by 25 is equal to X by 30. So we can get the value of X. Look at number 8. Let the number of days be X. men working day. Is it? Working days. 20 men, 30 days. 5 more men joined. So 20 plus 5, they have joined. Remain for X days. Is it? Is what? Again, it is indirect. Less people, more day, more people, less days. It is indirect variation. So 20 by 25 is equal to X by 30, or 20 into 30 is equal to X into 25, or 20 into 30 by 25 is equal to X. 5 6 are 5 5s are 5 4s are 24 is equal to X. So the work can be done in 24 days. That is question number 8. 9. If 13 lines of text in a column of encyclopedia contains 42 words, how many words will 52 lines of text contain? Is it direct? 13 line, 42 words, 52 line, X words. So number 9, you can do as a homework. So you have 3 homeworks today. We have done 6 here. That is 3, 4 and 4, 5 and 9. Okay. Number 10 we'll be doing next day. Today we have done here 6 sums and I have given you 3 sums as homework. 4, 5 and 9. All 3 sums are direct variations. So next day we will be doing question number 10 onwards. Till then you keep practicing. If there is a doubt, you just let me know. Okay? Thank you.